La 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 la. Hey, so I want to go over the US 30 and what I'm seeing on today, which is August 29th, all right? And so it's about 5:54 on the Eastern Standard Time, all right? And so as you see here on the US 30, we see that price is consolidating here on the 15-minute chart. So overall, the market is moving bullishly, but currently it is consolidating on the 15-minute chart. And so we do have this ascending triangle here. As we can see here, we can see that clearly here. It is an ascending triangle. And so once price breaks out of the ascending triangle, I forecast that the price will continue moving bullishly, all right? And so that's what we're waiting for, so we can enter the market most definitely. I mean, some people probably try to take profit in this little area here as it moves up and down, you know, entering and exiting the trades. But I want to wait until the price breaks out. And then from that point, go forward. Yay! And enter the trade. All right, hope this helps. Have a beautiful day. Bye. La, la.